Pull the wide end down and to the right. Cross the wide end over the narrow end again. Bring the wide end under the knot you just created. Pull the wide end up and through the loop in front of the knot. Tighten the knot by pulling on both ends of the tie. Here are some additional tips for tying a tie. Make sure the wide end of the tie is about twice as long as the narrow end. The bottom of the tie should reach your belt buckle. If you're wearing a vest, the tie should be tucked under the vest. The Windsor knot is a symmetrical knot that is perfect for formal occasions. The half Windsor knot is easier to tie than the full Windsor knot, but it is still a good choice for formal occasions. The Pratt knot is a simple knot that is perfect for everyday wear. Pratt tie knot. The Selby knot is a stylish knot that is perfect for adding a touch of personality to your outfit. The Eldredge knot is a unique knot that is perfect for standing out from the crowd.